Welcome back to 8042 Tutorials. In this quick video, we're going to be showing you how to export products from Shopify 2.0. So if you would like to export a specific product, you're just going to go ahead, navigate to your products section, and then click to highlight that product. And we're going to come up to the top right and select export. Now we're going to want to change this selection to our selected product. It will show that you've selected one product. You can also do this for multiple products. And what I'm going to do is export this as a plain CSV file. I'm just going to go ahead and click export. Now, once it's exported, it's going to go ahead and pop up where you'd like to save this. You can save this wherever you would like. In this case, I'm going to, title this the name of the product and then just go ahead and click save. All right. That's how you're going to go ahead and export those specific products. You can then upload them or import them into a different Shopify store, which we'll show you in the next tutorial.